Hello, good morning guys. Just now I wake up. Now my voice little bit not okay because it's cold here. Still I did not brush my hair. Just now I wake up here in my bed. Good morning guys. I'm waiting for my work. Maybe they have part-time. They will call me. Good morning. Good morning to all. How are you today? How are you today, people? Start with a smile. Don't angry. Be good every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like my YouTube channel, guys. Pilipina Nepali Buhari. I'm gonna cook boiled egg and I'm gonna drink black coffee, guys. This one, guys, I'm boiling egg. It's a beautiful day. I'm taking video, guys. They are getting ready, guys. They have work. They are already permanent here. They are getting ready. 10 o'clock, they need to go. Me, I'm waiting for my part-time, guys. This is life in abroad. Good morning. This is the breakfast of my beautiful lady here. She's in rush, you see? She's making pancake, guys. Today, day off. Ang sisipag nila, oh. Tignan niyo yung mga gamit namin. Dito na kami nagsasampay, guys. Ganun ang abroad. Laban lang. This is our breakfast. Kung gusto mong kumain ng tinapay, cake, kanin, meron dyan, guys. Meron pa kaming bopis, guys. This is my breakfast, guys. This is my outfit, guys. Pack na pack from Italy, guys. Oh my God! Hindi naman sa akin yung jacket. Pack na pack. Magagamit ko na yung boots dito, guys. Magagamit na yung boots dito, guys, kasi malamig. Okay ba yung boots ko, guys? Or ito na lang, guys. Wait lang, guys. Ang itong bagay, guys. Tignan na nag-clickmate. Umunigin. Virgin. Umunig. Ano siya? Kanina pumasya. Ha? Yan bang okay, guys? Hello, guys. Good morning. I'm going to my work, guys. I'm here, guys. Look at the snow, guys. It's cold here, guys. Ayan na. I'm going to my work, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know, it's already afternoon, guys. Slippery here. You know, if you will walk on the snow, this one is slippery. Slippery, guys. My name, Sweet. Look at that, guys. Sweet. Oh my God, sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm here. freezer, guys. Ano yung English doon? Shivering? Shivering? Freezing.
Freezing. I'm trembling in the snow.
I'm trembling.
Trembling, nanginginig na kamo sa lamig.
I'm freezing, guys. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken,
This.
banana. Malamig pala dito. Look at my boots, guys. Okay ba tong boots ko, guys? Sa susunod, hanggang dito na yung boots ko, guys. Pak na pak na. Tapos mag-mini skirt. Pak na pak! Pak na pak! Hello guys, I'm waiting for the bus. It's better for me if I will ride bus. Because in taxi it's very expensive. That's why I'm learning how to ride a bus, guys. It's cold. Look my outfit today. I put this one cold. That's why sorry for my speak. You cannot listen loudly. I did not bring my tripod. I did not bring also my headphone. This is the bus stop, guys. Oh my God! Walang silbi yung nilagay kong Vaseline, guys. As you can see, madulas, guys. As you can see, my face now is, what is this? Sam, I'm in the fridge, guys. Oh, madulas, guys. I'm going there, out there. Oh my God. Dapat ang boots nyo dito may spike. Kasi pag walang spike, madudulas kayo, guys. Hanggang dito merong lahat. Dapat ang mga bibilin yung mga bus pag nag-travel kayo sa Europe, any part of yung ini-snow, may snow. Dapat ang bilin yung boots, yung mga may spike. Kasi may kasamahan kami na nadulas siya. Ngayon, uuwi siya sa Pilipinas para magbakasyon, dun magpagaling. Nadulas siya. Eh, ang lamig pa naman dito, guys. Ang lamig dito, kaya paano siya gagaling? At saka ang mahal ng mga gastos sa hospital. Walang libre dito, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pilipina Natalie Buhari, guys. Bye! Bye, guys! Of course! Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.